What's happening, everybody? How we doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Pandora here, the Postcard Diva. We're back on Super Saturday. All right, I want to come back and talk about something probably don't see a lot of people talk about in the Home Business Academy. We'll get into it in a minute. But first, if you have not checked out my projects to see what else I've got going on with other affiliate programs on how you can earn online, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right. Now, we can't make any income claims here per FTC disclaimer. Can't make any guarantees. All right. So, you will have to do some work, guys. You got to be committed to it. You got to put the work in. All right. If you want to get the full earnings disclosure, make sure you go to income.thehba.net because the average affiliates can expect $346 with this business because people won't put the work in. So they have to put out a disclaimer, right? However, we've got, don't let that 346 intimidate you, or you're thinking, what do you mean I can't make but 346? That's what the average would do because people won't do the work, right? But they've got 6- and 7-figure earners in this program, so the sky is the limit, right? You get out what you put in, all right? So let's do the work. Follow the program, follow the training that they give you, implement it if you want to see results. Point blank, period. All right, so check it out. To check out this opportunity, the Home Business Academy, the link will be in the description. Go to getpaidfromhome.info or come to this page, coffeeandcoins.info. All right, let's get into this right here, though. Let's go into the system. Okay, Home Business Academy has 4 products. Let's Go, the Let's Go app, Funnel Builder Academy, Premium, and Financial Literacy. You've probably seen or heard about those, or you may not have. We're not going to get into those specifically today. I want to talk about something else, but if you want to check those out, because you can get started with one of those products as low as $10, right? You earn residual income over and over per each customer you sign up month after month, as long as they keep their subscription. Then they have this one product that's called Financial Literacy. You can earn one-time commissions anywhere from $400 to $800. All right, commissions. So for the folks that want to earn the one-time payments, mid-ticket, $400, $800, check that out. All right, it's a course. Now, let's talk about something different today. All right, I want to talk about one of the live coachings that they have. All right, in here. Okay, let's look at live coaching because that's what this platform provides you. Training, coaching, motivation, how to actually start an online business. Doesn't matter what business you're in. This would be the foundation, right? Now, this company's been around for 10 years, since 2016, so it's nothing new. All right, it's been around solid. The owners are present. They engage. They answer questions. They're out front. They're actually doing the training. Okay, live trainings 5 days a week. Now, this one particular training I just want to point out, or coaching if you will, it's daily. It's Monday through Friday. It's called Grow Rich Mastermind Call. All right, daily, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. You can dial in. You can click the link. And go in from your back office. This is free, guys. Look. Live is free. The recordings, now if you want the recordings, if you want to go back and hear those recordings, the premium members has access to all those archives. But you can check out the live and, okay, you can hear the replays. See right here, the 24-hour replay, you'd have to dial in, okay? So you can get the replays, you just dialing in. Whereas I will have them archived because I am a premium member. All right. Either way, you're looking at a free training Monday through Friday. Okay. This is great motivation. So, want to point something out here with this. Great stuff. I've listened to a couple of those replays myself. Good stuff. Lots and lots of stuff in here. So check this out. Look, as a premium, right? Of course, again, you can dial in to get the replays, but as a premium, check it out. The Grow Rich Vault. And there is a actual vault. Audio treasures unlocked. Turn drive time, downtime, or gym time into millionaire mind time. You know, Amazon has these audios, you know, they not these, but you know, they have audio books, all those things, right? We have it right here, our own product under the Home Business Academy. So you're familiar with audio books and things like that, right? So check it out. 14 years of content. That is bananas. 1,000 plus audio sessions, unlimited inspiration. This is inspiration. Okay? Never run out of content ideas. Look at the archives of this. Incredible. Do you see this? It's going back here. It's like 2011, I guess, when they really start recording them. But they've been doing this for 14 years. So we can literally go in here. Look, use the year-month navigation to browse historical events. We can literally go in here as a premium and just click on these things. Look, January of this year so far, right? 9 of them, because it's Monday through Friday. Okay, that's January. Look, 2025. Look, all the way through January to December. Check it out. Let's just click this. Let's go back to 2025. Let's click January 2025. Look at all this. You see all this audio, guys? All this inspiration on here. And they have folks come on and give you encouragement and motivation. You see this? This is the month of January 2025. Look at this. This is some incredible audio. Whoa, that was January, right? Let's go to February. Look at all this. Different topics. What would make success inevitable? The habit of saving, making room for abundance. Stop waiting, start leading. How initiative creates opportunity. I mean, all these are wonderful. All right, that's February. Let's go to March. Look at the different topics. The workshop of the soul. The blueprint of success, turning vision into reality. The growth experience. The soul of success. The sign on the chest. I mean, on and on and on. Fundamentals of salesmanship. Mastery through repetition. The power of practicing until you succeed. Anything is possible. Imagine it's already done. A marvelous mystery machine. The art of mention. I mean, this is insane with all the stuff you got here. That's March. Let's look at April. Robert Kiyosaki. That's another one. I couldn't think of his name the other day. Another motivational influencer I heard about when I first got into network marketing. Yes, the cash flow quadrant. I remember that. He's very popular as well, and you hear his name a lot in network marketing. All right. Look at all the topics. The mainspring of the mind, foundation of success. I mean, on and on. The doorway to success. All this is motivational audio that's archived in here. Doing more than you're paid for. A shortcut to prosperity. Your business is a mirror. I mean, peace wasn't easy, but it was worth it. We'll go back and listen to that. Crush stress. 7 causes, 6 cures. Delivering the message. I mean, it's just incredible. So I wanted to point this out. I know we're on here talking about the products and the funnels and all that stuff, right? But I wanted you to see this. This is priceless, okay? This is priceless. Hot marketing tip. The desire for human connection will never go away. This will be the best day of your life. Compounding habits, the 3 Ds. I mean, this is great stuff. The $5,000 lesson, the law of increasing returns, the magic key, the strength to stay soft, the collective mind. Unbelievable. Okay, unbelievable. One more, June. Let's see what's in here. The self-worth switch. A pleasing personality. The art of subtle persuasion. Napoleon Hill's profound technique. Another influencer. Napoleon Hill, motivation. The light that guides, the audacity to rise away. Think higher, live freer. Letting go of the struggle story. I mean, this is some great stuff. Subconscious mind theory. Alright, so this is another part of the Home Business Academy that you get access to. Again, these audios, the archives over here is for the premiums, okay? Well, we can just click it and go to them, okay? But for free live coaching, you just come over here, log into the system. You just call in and you can, it says here the 24-hour replays. But on Monday, like Monday through Friday, you can call in or you can click in. Call or click, okay? But these daily audios is very inspirational, okay? So I just wanted to dive into that so you guys can see that. Now check it out. Because I'm an affiliate, okay, and I actually exercise that position as an affiliate. So guess what? We come over here and under the affiliate tab, we have our own link as an affiliate to promote this Grow Rich Mastermind audios, right? Yes, it's free, but however, check this out. We got our own page. Oh, where did it go? We got our own page and our own link that's coded to us. This is a cool little video here, which is great, where Paul explains what this is all about, and then he explains to whoever's viewing this, so we can share this link. Like, you could send this in an email or whatnot, right? So he explains, after he explains what the mastermind is all about, then he also goes in to say, well, what if you wanted to share this and someone said, well, I want to be able to share it and get a page like this, right? Then you would go down here, and he explains it in the video. He's directing the person that's listening, hey, get back to the person that sent you this video, or click this link down here, right? So when you click this link, right, it says get these exact pages and grow a passive income while inviting others to our mastermind. So check it out. You're inviting folks to check out the mastermind. That's free. While they're listening to him here, he talks about, well, would you like to earn a passive income? Promoting this. Well, how so, Sway? Well, you click here, and then it takes you to what? This page. Whoops, wrong one. I'm going to show you that in a second. Takes you to this page. When they click it, the funnel builder page, right? It talks about the funnel builder and how they can get signed up for $25. All right, how they can get signed up for $25, and then that makes them a customer, and they'll be able to have this page that they can share. Okay, and that gets them into the business. So if you've turned a person that had no idea of something they were looking at for free, they were listening to for free, watching this, and then the next thing you know, it shows them how they can earn passive income. And when they click that button, it takes them over here. All right. So simply sharing this page could possibly get you a sale. Okay. So this is under the affiliate tab, right? This is under the affiliate tab. So if we come back over here and we go under the affiliate, right? Showing you guys this. So it's more than things that we just talk about, the basics of the products, the training. This one is one most people aren't talking about. So under affiliate, then you come down here and you click on my business, you click on my links, because you may be saying, well, how do I get a page like that? First, you got to become a customer, right? Become a customer. Then you come into affiliates, click on my links, and you come down and you're going to have your own page for this. Let's check it out. Hang on. All right, where is it? It is Mastermind Collection. Okay, and we got the replay. So you get all the perks when you become a customer. All right, so just wanted you guys to see that. So sharing this, so I sent this out in an email, and I'll be sending it out, adding it to my emails as well, you know, going forward, because folks could click this thing and listen to it, and it inspires and motivates you. And then it makes you say, well, what is he talking about? So then let's check it out. One more step further. Click here for instant access to the Grow Rich Mastermind. So he's going to explain it to people, and that's going to make them curious to click here. Well, what is this mastermind? First of all, takes them over here and check it out. So that one page is going to do the selling and telling for us. All right, just because you're sharing this mastermind, you may end up with a customer, is what I'm saying, right? So then it takes them over here, and they start clicking around. Oh, Monday through Friday, Grow Rich Live Mastermind. Okay, that's what this is about, inspiring, empowering the community. Okay, great. Then they start clicking here, and then guess what? When they click right here, Digital Wealth Formula, it's linked to you, it's coded to you. You can't see it at the top, but it's coded to you. And it takes them to this page. So now they see this. Oh, okay, I can make some money with it. You see what I mean? So it kind of leads them in that direction. It leads them to the Mastermind Collection, which is here. Whoop, where did it go? Leads them to the okay, it went forward. Leads them to the Mastermind Collection. We click it here, right? But that same page also is going to lead them to the funnel page, where they may sign up with you in this. And if they don't see it here, when they over here under the collection, and they click this wealth formula, that's coded to you. So it takes them to this page. So it's a great way to start with something free. Hey, check out these audios. You should check them out. Morning inspiration, boom, boom, boom. And boom, this page could lead them in to them becoming a customer of yours. Okay, so a different angle. All right, and I also wanted just to show you guys that. Okay, because it's not stressed, I don't think, enough, and I haven't been talking about it enough. But I wanted to bring that up to you guys today. So go here if you're ready to get started. You can get started as low as $10 with Let's Go. That's the personal development app. You can earn $8 commissions every time you sell the Let's Go product. Or you can get started at the Funnel Builder Academy for $25 a month. You earn $20 commissions. Or the premium. That's the one where you get all the training, the coaching, the AI tools, the marketing. Okay, this is what you're going to need in any business. This is going to build the foundation to help you build any business out here, right? That's $125 a month, and you earn $100 every time you sell that product. Then the Financial Literacy Academy course is a whole course. I think it's 13 modules. And it talks about bookkeeping. I mean, how you can earn flipping mobile homes, flipping houses, guerrilla marketing. I mean, it's a lot. All right, it retails for $1,000, but if you purchase one of these products within the first 7 days, you can get this financial literacy for $500, half. And then when you resell it, you earn $400 or $800. Okay, so great way to get started. All right, and then get in on these daily audios, guys. This archive is sick. This is insane. This is insane of everything we're seeing here with this thing. Okay, so anyway, just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. Go check it out, and you can hop on. You can check out the replays right now, or you can hop on Monday morning. It's up to you. But that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload videos. The next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.